2-bed semi-detached house for sale on Nightingale Road, Middlesbrough TS6. Springbok Properties, nationwide, is pleased to present to the market this property is located on Nightingale Road, Middlesbrough. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for family. House front, living room, kitchen, bedroom, kids room, bathroom. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Springbok Properties, nationwide. For further details, please visit Houser website.